What's next for real-world asset tokenization? On-chain finance is no longer hypothetical, but the road ahead, powered by rapid infrastructure improvements and shifting market conditions, is where the real transformation begins, says Carlos Domingo of Securitize. You're reading Crypto Long and Short, our weekly newsletter featuring insights, news, and analysis for the professional investor. Sign up here to get it in your inbox every Wednesday. Real-world asset RWA tokenization has passed its proof-of-concept phase. With over $20 billion in tokenized assets and institutional momentum from top-tier asset issuers such as Apollo, BlackRock, Hamilton Lane, KKR, and VanEck, among others, on-chain finance is no longer hypothetical. But the road ahead, powered by rapid infrastructure improvements and shifting market conditions, is where the real transformation begins. Here are the 5 key technological and 5 key market drivers shaping the next 3 years of tokenization. 1. Blockchain infrastructure maturity. Layer 1s and Layer 2s are scaling quickly, reducing fees and improving UX. Seamless wallet usage, account abstraction, and lower gas costs will make holding tokenized assets frictionless for institutions and individuals alike. 2. Smart contract evolution. Contracts are becoming safer, more composable, and increasingly automated. Expect AI to assist in designing and auditing contracts that power yield, compliance, and asset servicing, all with less manual oversight. 3. On-chain identity integration. Wallet-linked KYC and decentralized identity protocols will streamline onboarding without sacrificing privacy, a critical breakthrough for institutional adoption and retail accessibility. 4. Institutional-grade custody. MPC wallets, recovery protocols, and regulated custody options will resolve long-standing custody concerns, making tokenized assets truly investable at scale. 5. Regulated marketplaces and exchange integration. More tokenized assets will trade on SEC-regulated ATS platforms and become available on-chain via compliant DEXs, driving liquidity and transparency across asset classes. 1. Regulatory clarity. Regulators in the US, EU, and APAC are advancing frameworks for tokenized securities, stablecoins, and DeFi. As clarity grows, so will institutional confidence. 2. Tokenized treasuries. Stablecoins. Tokenized T-bills, e.g. BITL, are emerging as superior collateral and yield-bearing instruments, offering institutional-grade safety with better capital efficiency. 3. Stablecoins as global settlement layer. With $150 billion plus in circulation, stablecoins are evolving into programmable cash, enabling instant settlement, treasury funding, and FX trades across blockchains. 4. Full asset class coverage. Public equities, private equity, bonds, credit, real estate, and commodities are all heading on-chain. Tokenization is expanding from yield products to the full capital stack. 5. Institutional and emerging market acceleration. Wall Street is actively piloting tokenization infrastructure, while emerging markets are leapfrogging legacy systems by going directly to blockchain rails. Conclusion. The next phase of RWA tokenization will be driven by scalability, composability, and credibility. Institutions are no longer asking if they should tokenize, but how fast they can do it. The result will be a 24/7, globally accessible financial system, built on trustless rails, powered by programmable assets. Carlos Domingo is an entrepreneur with over 25 years of expertise in innovation, digital transformation, and venture capital. As the co-founder and CEO of Securitize, Carlos leads the way in developing compliant digital securities platforms that transform how companies raise capital and manage investors. Before his groundbreaking work with Securitize, Carlos held prominent roles as CEO of Research and Development at Telefonica, creating cutting-edge advancements and pioneering technology at companies such as Telefonica, one of the largest telecom companies in the world. Later, he would serve as CEO of New Business and Innovation, which led to an interest in spearheading blockchain adoption through the tokenization of traditional markets. Carlos holds a PhD in computer science, showcasing his deep technical understanding and commitment to advancing technological frontiers. Multilingual with experience across global markets, he speaks English, Spanish, and Japanese fluently. Based in Miami, Carlos continues to be a driving force at the intersection of technology, finance, and innovation, consistently pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the digital age.